Topcon with the hypers and the data collectors we've been using probably now for close to 12 to 15 years, pretty much since the start of GPS we've had it. We own 4 complete GPS systems, 3 on dozers and 1 on a motor grader.
As a company, we do sewer and water, road reconstruct, a lot of road reconstruct, widening of roads, city streets, blocks.
You gain productivity. You have no downtime waiting for surveyors. You don't have to go send a guy out setting a bunch of laths with grade stakes and having to work around them all day and have a scraper run them over and have to reset them all. The guy running the machine runs the job and he knows where he's at all the time and no question about what's going on.
Efficiency is the most important thing. For the mass grading side of it, there's not a foreman on the ground and dozer operator. Kind of take the job of 2 people. Definitely saves money because you can run the job from the seat of the dozer with the GPS. You're 70% more efficient when you're done with something and it's done right rather than having to come back and regrade. You know, you can go grade the sand and immediately turn around and put the black dirt on it. You're not waiting for stakes or somebody to come and check it. You're kind of taking the job of 2 people.
It's hard to say how much more productive they are, but I would say 30 to 40% more productive than just having a guy running a dozer not knowing exactly what he's doing.
You know, the mass grading portion of it, we've eliminated 95% of the staking.
There's little to no staking required. They still come and do the typical curb staking and all that because the engineers don't trust us enough to do it ourselves, but we'd be more able to do it with the technology we have these days.
You know where you are. You can take a piece and get it done and move on to the next rather than jump around. You know, the machine control, the new automated systems are like tying your shoes. I mean, you figure it out and it's very easy. There's not a lot of troubleshooting. I mean, you turn it on and it works. It's 1 button, start up, and away you go.
You can have your tolerances set within a centimeter or less, so when you're bringing in sand or class 5, you got it right where you need it instead of wasting aggregate that you got to bring in.
Do you have a sense of, like, when you invest in a machine system, how long does it take you to get that investment back?
On a job of this size that we're doing, I bet you can almost make up for it in this job for 1 machine control. As the workload increases, there's always a need for more. We have 4. We bought the 4th one this season, so I could foresee in the future buying another one just to keep going with the times.
The more help you get that knows how to use it, the more our boss will invest and get more of the equipment.
Topcon helps us on a daily basis be more efficient and get our work done in a timely manner.